Hi there, my name is Elegant Akpabio, and I have a question for you. What is stopping you from unlocking your full creative potentials this year and making good money from your skills? Listen, 2025 is here, and the world is looking for storytellers, creators, and visionaries like you. Just think about it for a second. Everywhere you look at, videos are actually going viral. Photos are telling powerful stories, and music is shaping cultures. But here is the truth. The difference between being a consumer and a creator is simply having the right skills. But guess what? I am here to teach you those skills and change you from being a perpetual consumer of those contents to a creator with the right skills. The first thing we are going to teach you is video production and editing. Think about it and imagine being able to shoot and edit professional videos on your own. Whether it's for a client, a brand, or for your own creative projects. From capturing cinematic footage to mastering the editing software, I will show you how to turn raw clips into captivating visuals that is going to pull every audience to your attention. Number 2, photography and editing. Maybe your passion may lie in photography. Well, this is your chance to learn the art of capturing moments that leave lasting impressions. We are going to teach you everything from understanding your camera, the settings, and everything to shooting images and photos like a pro, just so your image can stand out in this world filled with creativity. Number 3, music production, mixing, and mastering. My music lovers, have you ever dreamed of producing beats, recording your own tracks, mixing and mastering? With our music production course, you are sure going to learn how to bring your ideas to life, mix like a professional, and then master your tracks to perfection. Listen, these are not just skills, these are tools to shortchange your life in 2025. In just 3 months, you could be building a portfolio, attracting clients, or maybe launching your own creative business. The best part is that creativity is not just a passion, it is a profitable career. And here is something even better. If you choose to learn more than one course, I've gotten a very special discount for you, because I believe the more you learn, the more the potentials you're going to earn. So don't limit yourself to learning one course. You can learn the 3, you can learn 2. What are you waiting for? The world is moving fast. 2025 is the year that you take charge of your creative journey. Do not let your passion sit idle. Join our 2025 Creative Fair today and learn alongside other creatives like you. We are ready to turn your dreams into reality. In 2025, creative skills are not just hobbies, they are your tickets to financial independence, personal growth, and endless opportunities. Whether it is video, photography, or music, this is your chance to unlock your potentials and create a future that you are going to be proud of. Spaces are limited. Register right now, because I can't wait to see the amazing things that you are going to create. Catch you, because I will be here to welcome you into our training courses. Peace.